Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for some extra help with your fall leaves, go with this compartment bag from Veshine, which easily turns from this into this. Taking care of all of the fall cleanup has been so easy thanks to this great leaf collector. The leaf collector expands to 57 inches. So once you place it on the ground, you can see that it is lightweight, it's made of a durable material, and it's also waterproof. So it's really good if you have a lot of wet leaves as well. It's really lightweight and easy to pick up. So once you have all of the leaves scooped into it, you can pick it up very easily by the wiring that's around the edges, and it acts like a taco as you place all of your leaves into your barrels or containers. Once you have the leaf collector set up, you can also lay it flat to make it easier as well. So you may have other kinds of leaves or debris, and because it holds up to 95 gallons, it's really effective in picking up and cleaning up anything around the yard. My favorite part is how easily that it stows away for the next time. If you're looking for some extra help for all of that big task of picking up your fall leaves, or if you need this for picking up some scraps around, this is a durable nylon bag that easily fits away from when you don't need it, and it's so helpful when you're doing all of your yard work. But that's just my point of view.